Pezu, just like other remote places in Pakistan, poses a significant challenge regarding the absence of transmission lines, substations, and reliable grid connections. This isolation makes transmitting solar energy to the national grid difficult, leaving the local residents and businesses reliant on traditional energy sources. But change is on the horizon. Reon Energy and Lucky Cement Limited have joined forces with the largest and most ambitious energy deployment that integrates a 42.7 megawatt solar project with 5.6 megawatt hours of reflex battery energy storage system at Lucky Cement Limited, Pezu. This collaboration promises more than just a solution to Pezu's energy challenges. It brings a new era of reliability, resilience, and cost-effectiveness for the region. The project forecasts an impressive annual energy generation of 62,466.5 megawatt hours and a significant reduction of 37,479.8 tons of carbon emissions annually. Reon Energy is honored to be the partner of choice for Lucky Cement Limited at Pezu. This is more than just a project for us, a testament to Pezu's transformative journey from isolation to innovation, progress, and a more sustainable future.